Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's dinner time. Don't blink. This is going to be another fast meal. Tonight, I'm going to do just a big old pan of taco meat or soft shell tacos or burrito, however you want to put it. I'm going to do 3 pounds of turkey meat, and I'm going to do some Spanish rice, and that's going to get it. Start off with the rice. Of course, I always do my rice according to the recipe. I'm going to use yellow rice. I'm going to cook it. And I'm just going to chop up some onions and peppers in it. Throw some paprika into it and some chili powder into it. And that's going to get the rice. Then I'm going to go ahead and make my taco meat. And I've got a little taco seasoning packet. Hold on just a minute. Okay, I got it going, y'all. I got that 3 pounds of ground turkey in that pan. All I'm going to do with is, like I normally do, brown it up real good. And when it starts to get real good and brown, I'm going to drop my seasonings in there. I'll put that seasoning pack in there and let it cook for about 30 minutes and it'll be ready. Same thing with the rice. I'm cooking it according to the instructions. I'm going to put a half a cup of onion and green pepper combined in there to make that flavor, punch it up a little bit, and put some chili powder in there. And we'll be done. So hold on. I tell you, don't blink.
See, I forgot to give you your medications and your wheels. Come on, shut the door. Open. Now. Under your tongue. Oh. Open. Now. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. They got the phone turned up on me. 1 ounce of range of Children's Vision, Missouri Social Services. The law requires me to inform you that a report has been filed by a member of your community concerning the safety of your daughter, Gypsy. What? Oh, who was that? Anthony? Yes. I can't imagine who would be worried about Gypsy. Oh, pal. Lost everything in your hands. This way. Yeah, I can understand why people misunderstand this condition. Gypsy's wheelchair. She's Judy. Yes, but she gets home, you know. Once in a while, she'll sit with her mom. Smell the bugs. Where is Gypsy? Oh, she's in the restroom. Bless her. It's a while. I could bring her out to you. This is Allison. She's come to pay you a visit. Thank you. You can go through the next room. Excuse me. Some of the questions can be hard for a child to answer. But Gypsy is ill. She has a seizure. I need to be nearby. In the doorway's fine. You're right there. Hi, Gypsy. I'm Allison. May I sit next to you? Sure. I see you're 15 years old. How long have you lived here with your mom? Would you say the two of you usually get along, or are there some days that you don't? What do you mean? Well, does your mom ever get angry with you? Sometimes, yeah. And what happens then? She takes away my plushie toys. Does your mom ever make you do something you don't want to do? Something that makes you unhappy? Mostly we like the same thing. Gypsy food. Do you ever feel scared? When do you feel scared? Just one more question then for you, Miss Blanchard. The name listed on your address and the name on your social security card don't match. Both the first and last names are spelled differently.
Oh, what's wrong?
Wrong.
Yes, so wrong. I don't know if it was the divorce or everyone losing everyone's paperwork after Katrina, but the place that keeps those records is wrong. I've been calling and calling trying to get it changed. Oh, you work for the government? Oh, maybe you could help. Oh, I'd be so grateful. If I could just have your number and your email, then I could reach out to you anytime I have a question.
I'm sorry, Miss Blanchard. That's a whole different part of the system. I think I've seen all I need to today.
I don't want it.
You don't want what?
I want the apple juice.
You want some apple juice?
I want the apple
Get
juice.
that
Apple juice.
try it. Yes, try it. You got ice? Ricky, what's up?
You put, look. See? Look. You bring my towel.
Your
My
what?
towel is wet. Look, it's wet.
Oh my
You
goodness.
bring my towel.
Here, I got napkins over here.
The basket right here.
Did you waste it on it? Did you waste it on it?
Yeah, look.
Okay, you got it on your clothes. On the hook.
Yes.
All right.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey. Get out of here. 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 Yeah. You go start that noise.
No, we can try.
Oh. How? Mom, video was it. Oh.
Everything's cooking nicely. One more thing to give that rice a little bit more flavor. I know I'm going to have a extra juice, probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons full. Just dip a little bit, pour it over to that rice. Okay, darling, I see you over there. He wants me to notice where he is. That water is cooking out of there nicely, and we want most of it to cook all the way down, so there's plenty to pour over the or I can get a little bit more of that. In fact, I can get a little bit of meat out of there. Okay. Rice is about 5 minutes out from being done. That's a good time to pour that extra juice in there. And it actually needed some more liquid in there. So, there we are. Got what we need. Cook that another 5 minutes. Just let nature take its course. Okay, there it is, y'all. All ready to eat. There's the taco meat all cooked and browned up. That homemade Spanish rice, chopped onions, cheese, 2 kinds of salsa, and there's those soft taco shells. Hey, sugar. And of course, there's my ranch dressing. We always put a little ranch on there. So, I hope y'all didn't blink because this meal is done, y'all. Keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Till I cook again. Love you guys. Toodaloo. What, sugar? Right, that's the oven. Turn it up.